again we are going to see the same lesson, how many squares. In that lesson we are going to see the next topic. Next topic is triangle. Triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. And this one is base. This is the base. And this one is height. See, height we can denote it as h. Small h. And base we can denote it as small b. Okay? Already we knew about area and perimeter of square and then area and perimeter of rectangle. Now I am going to write area of triangle. Area of triangle formula is half. Half into base into height. Base into height. Then perimeter of triangle. Perimeter means nothing, the length of the boundary. Now I am going to denote the sides as A, B, C. Perimeter means length of boundary. We want to add the sides. A plus B plus C. Next. Now look at the square grid. I have drawn one shape. Now we are going to find the area of the shape. See, how many, first we want to know number of full square, half square. This is not half, this is more than half, and this one is quarter. How we can represent in numbers more than half, quarter. More than half we can represent it 3 by 4. That is more than half. Half already you know 1 by 2. Next 3 by 4 means that is more than half. And then quarter we can denote it as 1 by 4. Quarter we can denote it as 1 by 4. Now look at here. First we want to know the completed. That means full square and then more than half. This is quarter of square. First here you write number of full square. Plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 is more than half square. So 3 by 4 into number of more than half square. If we add 4 plus 3 plus 1, we will get 8 centimeter square. So what is the area? 8 centimeter square. Now open your book to page 40. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. Now look at the board. Here we are going to find the area of these shapes. First, shape A. What is this? This is look like a triangle. Look at here. Area of shape A. Shape A is triangle. Triangle formula half into B into H. Half into B into H. See, look at here. What is the base? Every square grid is that is equal to 1 centimeter. So how many centimeter? Equally, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Base is 3 centimeter and height is 1, 2, 3, 4. Height is 4 centimeter. So what is base is 3, height is 4. We can directly cancel 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. Next, 1 into 3, 1 into 3, that is 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 centimeter square. So what is the shape of A? What is the area of shape of A? That is 6 centimeter square. Next, look at B. B, what is the shape? That is square. Here we can't directly find the square because why? It is in the half, quarter squares here. So first we want to count the full square and then half square and finally quarter square. Next, area of shape B. Full squares plus 1 by 2 y, that is half square. 1 by 2 into number of half squares. Plus 1 by 4, that is quarter. 1 by 4 into number of quarter square. Look at the shape. How many full squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many full square? 4 full square. So here you write 4 plus 1 by 2. That is half. Half. How many half square is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half into 8 plus how many quarter squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter means less than half. 1 by 4 into 4. Finally, we want to cancel. See, 2 4s are 8. Here also we can directly cancel. 4 1 is 4. So 4 plus 1 into 4, that is 4. Here 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So totally 9 centimeter square. The area of shape B is 9 centimeter square. Look at shape C. We are going to find the area of shape C. See, here first we want to know number of full squares. Next, number of half square or more than half plus quarter squares. Like that we want to calculate. Look at here. Now, how many full square is there? 2 full square. How many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square, 2 full square. So here you write 2 full square plus area of shape D. First we want to know the full square. How many full square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full square. How many half square? 2 half square. So here you write 5 full squares plus 1 by 2 into 2 half square. 2 1 is 2. See 5 plus 1 into 1 that is 1. 5 plus 1 6 centimeter square. Next, area of shape E. Look at here. First we want to know the number of full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and then 18. 18 full squares. How many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 half square, 18 full square. So 18 plus 1 by 2 into 6. This 6 is half square. Number of half square. 2 3s are 6. 18 plus 3. If we add 18 plus 3, that is 21 centimeter square. 21 centimeter square. Already these F's are I done them. You just look at them. Next, triangles. Triangles. See, Samina and Sadiq. This conversation between Samina and Sadiq. See, now Samina said both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. See, both the big triangles in this rectangle. This is the rectangle, and in this rectangle have the same area. In this rectangle, they drew 2 triangles. And then Sadiq said, but these look very different. Sadiq said, but these two triangles look different. But Samina said, it has the same area. Next, and then Sadiq, the blue triangle is the half of the big rectangle. The blue triangle is the half of the big rectangle. Look at here. This is the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is 5 centimeter. Sorry, breadth is 5 centimeter and length is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. What is the rectangle formula? Area of rectangle, that is L into B. So 5 into 4, totally 20 centimeter square or else 20 square centimeter. So what is the area of the rectangle? The area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Now we want to find out the blue triangle. But that blue triangle is dividing the rectangle into 2 halves. See, you don't consider the red dot, you just consider the blue. That blue triangle divide the rectangle into 2 halves. Next, see, area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of the blue triangle is dash square centimeter. Already I said the blue triangle divide the rectangle into 2 halves. So 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. 2 1 is 1 and 0 will come. So the area of the blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. 10 square centimeter. And then Samina asked, and what about the red triangle? In it there are 2 halves of 2 different rectangles. In it there are 2 halves of 2 different rectangles. They divide the big rectangle into 2 half rectangles. See, this rectangle has 1, 2, 3 centimeter breadth and height is length is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. So what is the area of orange rectangle? 3 4s are 12 centimeter square or square centimeter. So what is the area of orange rectangle? 12 centimeter square. And then green rectangle is 1, 2. Breadth is 2 centimeter and length is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. So here L into B, 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. So what is the area of orange rectangle? That is 12 centimeter square. And then what is the area of green rectangle? That is 8 centimeter square. Now we can find easily the area of triangle. See, this line divide the orange rectangle into 2 halves. So 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer? 6 centimeter square. Here green also divide the rectangles in green rectangle. This line divide the rectangle into 2 halves. So 8 centimeter square divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. So here 4 centimeter square. Then we want to find the total area of the triangle. So we want to add 6 centimeter square plus 4 centimeter square. So totally 10 centimeter square. Now the Samina said correctly. The both triangles have the same area. See, blue also 10 square centimeter and then red also 10 square centimeter. Turn the next page. Yes, you are right. And you know what? You can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Try and drawing them. See, yes, you are right. Now Samina said, sorry, not Samina, Sadik said, yes, you are right. And you know what? You can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter. Using the 10 square centimeter, we have to draw many more triangles in the rectangle. Try and drawing them. Help Sadik in finding some more such triangles. Draw at least 5 more. So you help to Sadik to find some more such triangles. Draw at least 5 more triangles in the rectangle. Next, complete the shape. Shruchi, see, she is Shruchi. Shruchi drew 2 sides of the shape. She asked the Asif to complete the shape with 2 more sides. See, Shruchi, this conversation between Shruchi and Asif. And then Shruchi said, drew 2 sides. Shruchi asked Asif to complete the shape with 2 more sides. So that area is 10 square centimeter. Already she drew 2 sides of the shape. She asked Asif to complete the next 2 more sides. He complete the shape like this. But what she said, that area is 10 square centimeter. First, is this 10 square centimeter, this shape? Let's see. See, how many full squares? 1, 2. First, you consider the triangle. How many full square? 2 full squares. Next, number of half square. How many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square. So totally 4 centimeter square. Triangle is 4 centimeter square. Remaining part we want 6 centimeter square. See now, how many full square? 1, 2, 3. 3 full square. Green part. How many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 by 2 into 6. 2 3s are 6. So 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter square. Approximately I have written. So totally how many square meter this shape? 10 square centimeter. That is correct. Next, Shruchi asked, how did you do this? Oh, that is easy. If you look at the green area, it is in 4 square centimeter. See the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. Below it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeter. See, green area is already 4 square centimeter. remaining part, how many we need? 6 square centimeter. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. Have you understood? Is he correct? Discuss. Yes, he is correct. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. Already I explained that. Look at here. Next, look at here. Sadiq Asif said, oh, I thought doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. See, if you draw like this, still the area is 10 square centimeter. Already the green area is 4 centimeter square. See, now look at the blue area. How many full squares? 1, 2. If you take this quarter part into here, it will become a full square. Number of full square is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you write number of full square 4. Next, half square. If you take this part here, it will become a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square. So 1 by 2 into 4. If we cancel, 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 2, how much? How many? 6 centimeter square. Again, the area is still 10 square centimeter. Is Ruchi correct? How much the blue area? Explain. Is Ruchi correct? Yes, Ruchi is correct. How much is the blue area? Already I explained it. Blue area is 6 centimeter square. Can you think of some other ways of completing these shapes? We can complete the shape in some other ways. Like this also we will draw. Like this shape also we will draw. Still it has the same, still it has a same area, 10 square centimeter. Try some other ways yourself. Now ask your friends at home to solve this. Now you are in a home, you don't ask your friends, you just ask your mom and dad in the home and to solve these triangle sums. How many square sums? Next, look at the practice stand. This is one of the sides of the shape. Complete the shape. So that is the area of 4 square centimeter. See, she has drawn one of the sides of the shape. Now we are going to complete the shape and its area must be 4 square centimeter. Look at here. See, I completed into triangle. Now what is the area? How many full square? 2 full square. How many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4 half square. So 1 by 2 into 4. So 2 2s are 4. So totally the area is 4 centimeter square. Now can you understood? Complete the shape. So that is the area is 4 centimeter square. So the shape of what is the area of the shape? The area of the shape is 4 centimeter square. Next, 2 sides of the shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more such sides. So that the area is less than 2 square centimeter. See, less than 2 square centimeter, centimeter square. Less than, not more than. So, if we draw like this, see, if we draw like this, this is totally how many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square means 1 by 2 into 4. So, if we cancel, 2 2s are 4. So, what is the area? 2 centimeter square. But what they ask, the area is less than 2 square centimeter. Less than 2 square centimeter means it won't touch the half of the square. Quarter of the square only we want to draw. Don't draw the full square. We want to draw the quarter of the square. Then its area is less than 2 square centimeter. Turn the next page. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. See, the area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, the second row also the same squares. So totally 20 square centimeter. Look at the question. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide into two equal triangles. What is the area of the each triangles? Now I am going to draw the one straight line. Now I am going to draw the one straight line. You just using the scale, you draw the, using the scale, you draw the line. See, now it is the two half triangle. What they ask, what is the area of the each triangle? What is the total area of the rectangle? 20 square centimeter. We divide the rectangle into two half. So 20 centimeter square divided by 2. 2 1 is 2 and then 0 will come. So totally how many? What is the area? 10 centimeter square. What is the area of the each triangle? 10 centimeter square. Next, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it two equal rectangles. What is the area of the smaller rectangles? How we can divide? We can divide like this. See? Now, it's look like a two equal rectangles. See, this is one rectangle and this is one rectangle. So, this is also half. How we can calculate the smaller rectangles? The same way. 20 centimeter square full rectangle and then divided by 2. Why? Because we divided into two equal rectangles. 2 equal. So, divided by 2. 2 1 is 2 and then 0 will come. So, totally what is the area of the smaller rectangle? 10 centimeter square. Next, draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Now we are going to divide the rectangle into one rectangle and then two triangles. Now totally how many squares? 10 squares. Here also totally 20 square. See, now I am going to divide it into two rectangles. See, this is one rectangle and this one is rectangle. And then I draw another triangle. Sorry, another straight line. Now I am going to draw another straight line. So, draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. See, this one is one rectangle and these are two equal triangles. What is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Otherwise, L into B. So, length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter. And then breadth is 2 centimeter. So, L into B, 5 2s are 10. So, what is the area of rectangle? 10 centimeter square. Next, this rectangle also 10 centimeter square, but we divided into two half. That is two triangle. So, 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So, what is the area of the each triangle? 5 centimeter square. What is the area of the each triangle? 5 centimeter square. Next, puzzles with 5 squares. Puzzles with 5 squares. Measure the side of small square on the squared paper on page 45. See, on this page. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are drawn for you. See, using the 5 squares, we want to draw such more possible shapes. Now look at here. They already drawn 3 shapes for us. Now I am going to draw another shapes. This is also one of the shape. And then next, this is another shape. This one is another shape. Sorry. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Another shape. Two, 3, 4, 5. See, this one is another shape. This is another. So totally how many shapes I can draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So using 5 square we can draw 12 shapes. Next, look at the question. How many different shapes can you draw? We can draw 12. Right? 12. Which shape has the longest perimeter and how much centimeter? See, except this, everything has the longest perimeter 12 centimeter. But how? See, 1 perimeter means boundary, length of the boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Except this, that is fourth one, except the shape 4, everything has the same perimeter 12. How much centimeter? 12 centimeter. Next, which shape has the shortest perimeter? See, this only. Shape 4 only has the shortest perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 centimeter. What is the area of the shapes? Dash in square centimeter. That is simple. Once the area of 1 square grid is 1 centimeter square. 5 square means 5 into 1 centimeter square. Totally 5 centimeter square. So what is the area of the shapes? 5 centimeter square. Turn the next page. Here also, did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? Yes. See, we can get all these shapes using 5 square. All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is 10 into 6. See, 10 into 6. The first 10 denotes the row and second 6 denotes the column. That is row into column. See, 10 rows, 6 columns. See, there are 10 rows and 6 columns. You will be surprised to know that are there more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 into 6 rectangle. Do you know that? We can get 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 into 6 rectangle. Next, draw all 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of the cardboard and cut them. And then you arranged like this. You arranged and make a big rectangle. Try to arrange your 12 shapes in some other way to make a 10 into 6 rectangle. Could you do it? We can arrange in another way. Next, try another puzzle. Have to make 5 into 12 rectangle. 5 into 12 rectangle means 5 rows, 12 columns. With these 12 shapes, there are more than 10,000 ways you can do it. If you can find even one, that is great. See, using 5 into 12 rectangle, we can make more than 10,000 ways we can make. If you can find even one, you are really great. Next, game time. Here is the chessboard. Playing this game with your partner with a set of 12 shapes. See, here is the chessboard, playing this game with your partner with a set of 12 shapes. Using the 12 shapes, you can place it on the chessboard. See, chessboard has 8 rows, 8 columns. So 8 8s are 64. Totally how many squares chessboard has? Chessboard have 64 squares. See, the first player picks one shape from the set and put it on the cardboard covering any 5 squares. See, first if you take the shape, first you put it on the chessboard. Next, if you take this shape, you can place it here. Like this, you want to play. The other player picks another shape and put it on the board. But it must not overlap the first shape. Don't overlap. If you don't keep the shape like this shape, that is called overlap. Keep taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Keep taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts the last piece, that person is winner. Whoever put the last piece, that person is a winner. Make your own tile. Remember the floor pattern in the Math Magic book on 117 to 119. You had to choose the correct tile which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there are no gaps left. See, in the floor they are keeping the tiles known. That is, there is no gap left. Like that we want to fix the tile in the some other patterns. Then the next page. See, Ziri went to shop and was surprised to see different designs of tiles on the floor. Aren't these beautiful? Ziri went to shop and was surprised to see the different designs of tiles on the floor. See, these are the different types of tiles. Different types of tiles she saw on the shop. Next, after looking at the pattern, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. Ziri want to make her own yellow tile. You too make a tile in this way. You too make a tile in this way. Step 1. Take a piece of cardboard or thick paper. Take a piece of cardboard or thick paper like a chart paper. Draw a square of side 3 cm. The side must be 3 cm on it. Next step. Draw a triangle on any one of the sides of the square. Any one of the sides you just draw the triangle. Next step. Draw another triangle on the same size on the other side of the square. But this time draw inside the square. First you draw outside the square. First triangle. Next triangle you draw inside the same measurement of outside square triangle. Cut the shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What is its area? How we can find out the area? We want to draw the square grid for 1 cm. Then we can easily find the area of the tile.
Next, make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on page. Repeat it on a page. But remember, there must be no gaps between them. You also make a like this tile and fits in the one patterns. But remember that must be no gaps between any of the tiles. Ziri made some patterns using her yellow tiles. You know the area of her tile. See, she made a pattern. She made using the yellow tile, she made this pattern. Answer these. How many tiles has she used? You want to count how many tiles she has used. You have to count. Next, what is the area of the floor pattern Ziri has made here? We want to draw the square grid. Then we can easily find out the squares area. Next, look at the practice time. Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with the square of 2 cm side and made the shapes like this. Using the 2 cm, she made the shape like this. Which of these shapes will a tile floor? Without any gaps. Without any gaps, which tile will be making for the floor? We can't keep this A and B. Why? Because if we keep the tile on the floor, we will get some gap. But if we kept C and D, we won't get the gap. So which of the shapes will be a tile floor? C and D. What is the area? The area is, see, 2 cm. All the area is 2 cm. So 2 into 2. What is the area formula? A square. So 2 square. 2 square is 4. So what is the area of these shapes? 4 cm square. So A is equal to 4 cm square. Make a designs in your copy by tiling those shapes. Make a designs in your copy by tiling those shapes. Now you can create in your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do with the same triangle? Trying do it. See, you also make some tiles using the square shape or rectangle shape. You can try in your own way. Thank you, students.